Good job.
Now she can only
Swim, JJ, swim. JJ's first time swimming by himself. Good job. Took me 2 weeks to get him going by himself. Hard work pays off. What are you doing, JJ? JJ, what are you doing, buddy? Gosh, you're swimming. JJ, are you getting tired? Yeah. You're a good swimmer. You're kicking and swimming. Good work. Stay on this side, JJ. Look, he's swimming, so we gotta stay on this side. JJ, say hi. Junior. Hey.